Do you ever want to start a conversation with someone, but you're just really not sure what to say? Giving someone a simple compliment can be a really easy way to create small talk and start a conversation. So today, we're going to look at 5 easy ways to give compliments. And then we're going to look at how you can reply to compliments and continue the conversation. And before we begin, one important thing to remember is that commenting about people's bodies can sometimes make people uncomfortable. So before commenting about someone's body, always think about the culture that you are in, your relationship to that person, and how it might make them feel. Okay, so here is option number 1. This one is easy because you can use it with singular nouns, plural nouns, and uncountable nouns, and you really don't need to think too much about the grammar. Here are 3 examples. I really like your shirt. I really like your earrings. I really like your hair. Here's option 2. This one is used with singular and uncountable nouns. And this one has the word so in it. So is similar to very or really, but it has a lot more emotion. Here are 2 examples. Your bracelet is so beautiful. This pasta is so delicious. Here's option 3. And this one is the same as the last one. However, we're using a plural noun. Here are 2 examples. Your children are so well behaved. Those shoes are so cute. Here's option 4. This one has such in it. And such is basically the same as so. However, it's followed by an adjective and then a noun. You can also see that this one has a or an, so we know that this is using a singular noun. Here are 2 examples. That is such a lovely necklace. You have such a wonderful garden. And if you have an uncountable noun, there is no a or an. For example, you have such elegant furniture. Here's option 5. This one is the same as the last one, however, we're using a plural noun. Here are 2 examples. Those are such cool sunglasses. You have such gorgeous eyelashes. So those are 5 ways to give compliments, but they are not the only ways to give compliments. These are the ones that I like to teach because they're easy to remember, you can customize them easily, and they are a good opportunity to practice grammar in real-life conversation. And again, the reason that we are giving these compliments is because we want to use them to start a conversation. So now we need to look at what happens after you give the compliment, or when you receive a compliment. First, sometimes you might give a compliment and ask a question at the same time. For example, I really like your shoes. Can I ask where you got them? But for right now, let's imagine that someone gives you a compliment. How should you reply? First, express thanks. 3 easy ways to do this are thanks, thank you, or I appreciate the compliment. But if you stop there and the other person does not ask a question, the conversation stops. So after you say that, give some more information. Show them that you want to talk about this. For example, oh, thank you. My husband gave it to me for my birthday. Or, thanks. I just got them yesterday at the night market. Then hopefully the other person will continue to show interest by asking another question. Here are some examples of questions that you might want to try using. Are they comfortable? Are they waterproof? Were they difficult to find? Was it difficult to make? Is it easy to iron? Is it real leather? Did it take a long time to make? Did you make them yourself? Where did you get them? So here's an example of a short conversation using this language. I really like your shoes. Oh, thanks. My husband gave them to me for my birthday. Are they comfortable? Oh yeah, they're really comfortable. Do you mind if I ask how much they were? I think they were about $80. Okay, thanks. I might get myself a pair. They look really nice. So yeah, that's how you can use compliments to start a conversation. Thank you for watching.